Today's webinar is the 9th in a series of webinars organized to increase your knowledge about the various Enerpac products. The previous webinars are also available to view on our website under the Resources tab. See Training Videos. This webinar was prepared by Fred Weber of the Enerpac EMEA Marketing Department with the help of Mike Itershagen and Dirk Kruger of Enerpac Germany. My name is Erik Joon of the Enerpac Academy in the Netherlands. Today we like to walk you through our offering of hydraulic presses. Along with a large variety of standard presses, we offer a wide range of options to enhance operator safety. Furthermore, we would like to share some of our experiences of constructing presses to meet specific customer requirements. Enerpac standard presses are available in various shapes: C-frame and Arbor presses, bench-mounted H-frame presses, XLP and VLP workshop presses, and roll-frame presses. Let us take a look at these standard press varieties. The C-clamp is an open frame to be positioned around an object which needs to be pressed. Arbor presses are also C-frame shaped, but can be mounted vertically or horizontally on a workbench. The standard C-clamp presses come as 5, 10 or 20-ton presses. The standard Arbor presses come as 10 or 30-ton presses. These C-clamp and Arbor presses need to be completed with an RC type cylinder, gauge, hose and pump. The open frame design allows for a wide variety of practical applications. These are two examples where C-clamp and Arbor presses were applied. Next is our wide variety of workshop presses. Please note that these presses are only for pressing and not for pulling applications. The standard XLP Series starts with the bench-mounted 10-ton H-frame press. It comes with a 10-ton cylinder, single-acting with a 150 mm stroke. The model number is VLP 106 P142 for the version with the Enerpac P142 hand pump, and VLP 106 PAT1 for the version with the Enerpac Turbo Air Pump. Then there is the XLP Series, floor-mounted presses. This series starts with a 25-ton RC cylinder with a 250 mm stroke. The XLP 50 and 75-ton presses come as kit to be assembled by the customer to save transport cost. A wide range of models with different pumps and cylinder strokes is available. On this XLP series, the lower bed can be lifted and lowered to change the vertical daylight window using a cable winch. Optionally, the lower bed can be set in a fixed position and the upper bed can be adjusted. Based on the specific application needs, the hydraulic cylinder can be shifted horizontally towards the right or left uprights. The XLP series allows for many different configurations. The coding of the press part number is straightforward and allows you to check your ordered configuration. You can read the type of press, the capacity, the cylinder stroke, the type of pump, and valve operation method. If you wonder if the press comes assembled, the answer is no, unless you order the press with the suffix M. In that case, but only for the 50 and 75 tons XLP press, it will be factory assembled. The Enerpac standard VLP 100 and 200 ton models are equipped with the HydroAdjust system for comfortable daylight adjustment. These models come standard with a pendant-operated electric pump. VLP presses are available with double-acting cylinders. boasting strokes of 150 and 330 mm. The double acting feature is advised for quick return of the plunger. The BRD roll frame presses come in 50, 100 and 200 ton models as standard. The roll frame design features a stationary bed to load and support heavy loads. The BRD presses are equipped with a vertical daylight adjustment through the Hydralift system mounted on one side. The BRD allows for variable cylinder positioning from side to side within the frame. V-blocks, to facilitate positioning of pipes and bars, can be added to your order as a standard option. Likewise, a two-hand control unit for safe remote operation of the press can be added to your order. Also, an aluminium frame with polycarbonate safety glass can be added and attached to your press, with the option of adding a door switch for electric pump cutout. These are examples of safety cages with a single and a double door. With safety of your operators in mind, a universal safety screen can be added to your XLP press order. This screen consists of polycarbonate safety glass in an aluminium frame equipped with lockable caster wheels. Now we would like to show you some examples of customer-specific modification to standard presses and special presses tailored to the exact application the customer had in mind. For this 200-ton roll frame press for BASF, the customer required a two-hand control and a vertical slide-in microlon safety cage to safely assemble and disassemble valves. ThyssenKrupp ordered a 50-ton roll frame press to flatten steel rods and requested a steel safety cage to be added. For Bosch, Enerpac constructed this 50-ton H-frame press. At their request, we used Bosch cylinders and pumps. Special requirement was that the cylinder used had a stroke of 1.5 meters to be able to assemble cylinders with a length up to 2 meters. The company Loosberger requested a relatively light solution to press bushes in aluminium profiles. A special low-height 10-ton C-frame press profile was applied, with which operators could work more safely, while at the same time reducing the space needed for the operation. The company Avicon specializes in injection molding system components. To adequately press a heating coil in one of their products, they requested an extra wide lower bed on the 50-ton press for easier and safer handling of the parts. Fels produces metal processing machines. For connecting and disconnecting of tools, they requested a 200-ton press with an extended table for easier and safer loading of parts using an overhead crane. The parts being handled in the press have a weight between 30 and 140 kg each. For connecting cold rolling tools in the manufacturing operation of producing special shaped metal parts for various high-tech industries, Flyk und Hommel requested this 500-ton press to be equipped with a safety cage, with the addition of a window made of bulletproof glass. GKN is involved in the manufacturing of transmission systems for the automotive industry and specializes in these for electric and hybrid cars. They requested a 400-ton press to handle parts weighing between 60 and 150 kilograms with a safety cage and a loading table, and also wanted clear view, which called for the use of a bulletproof glass window. This 50-ton press equipped with a Macrolon safety cage was supplied to a welding school in Kaiserslautern, Germany. The press is being used in testing the quality of students' welding work. Momec in Norway are a service provider for all heavy industry areas such as mining, energy and oil and gas. Momec requested a 300-ton press for their axle rod pressing jobs. Challenging was that Momec wanted the press to be able to rotate 90 degrees, with the objective of using the press for horizontal and vertical pressing. The Center for Solar Energy Research, ZSW Ulm in Germany, also specializes in the research on battery systems. To be able to test the behavior of batteries for vehicles in the worst possible conditions, a destructive test is part of the process. For this, a 100-ton double roll frame press was designed with 4 x 40-ton cylinders for vertical use and 2 x 25-ton cylinders for horizontal movement, all controlled for stroke, pressure and power. To achieve this, an Enerpac 8-point sink lift system was used. This concludes the overview of the Enerpac standard press range and a selection of presses with special requirements we have built for our customers. If you have any questions, please send your email to eainfo@enerpac.com. Thank you for attending this Enerpac Academy webinar. Be safe.